Hello everyone and good morning. Welcome back to another El Jefe N scale video. And I'm showing the completion of all my scenery. I added even more trees, so I have a pretty good alpine tree variety now on the mountain. And I'm just showing my completed scenery for this layout. Down here we have a couple of very happy miners. My camera's picking up their detail well, but there they are. They're having a little happy hoedown next to the campfire here after their find. And then down here we got a couple dudes hanging out on the bench by the trailer. And we added horsies roaming the range. There's a cow there too. So just a little update and something big coming up in 2 weeks. I am getting my Kato Sound Box. So I think that'll be a life changer for me to have some big, throaty, hi-fi locomotive sounds going on. I don't plan on using the built-in speaker on the sound box. I'm going to be hooking it up to the theater system in the bedroom here. So we have a subwoofer down here. That should give some good rumble. So yeah, we got full surround sound in here. So that'll hopefully be pretty awesome. Pretty good combo made up for the sound box. So I'm really excited about that. I've been looking forward to it for months. So I ordered the sound box and I ordered the light steam card, which for now I know it's not going to be quite appropriate for my FEF3, but that card has 3 different whistles on it. One of them should be semi-appropriate for this locomotive for now. In the future I'll get the FEF3 card. But I ordered the light steam because I'll be able to use it with all my steamers for now. And then I also ordered the GE 3rd generation card. And I might order one more before the sound box arrives. Got this yesterday, this Bachmann Santa Fe High Cube car, which has really impressive detail for a Bachmann. It has body-mounted couplers, which are excellent quality couplers. They're kind of like a McHenry Micro Trains hybrid design. They're very reliable, very easy to decouple with my Rick's pick. So there you go, guys. I can't wait to show you the results of the sound box when it comes in. Hooked up to the home theater system in here. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch up with you within a couple weeks.